Okay, so my question has to do with the catalytic converter. My car, we found out maybe a few weeks ago that I need a new catalytic converter, but apparently there are two. So I wasn't completely clear on which one needs to be replaced, other than I was told it's the smaller one. So I guess my question is, how do you know for sure which one needs to be replaced? And how far can you go before you really have to replace it? Because the guy who checked it, he said that it didn't have to be replaced right then, but like, how much longer do you have?
I don't know if I can say this, but imagine you're constipated. So I know it's a bad terminology, but it's something easy to understand. Pretty much when you're that, you overheat, the car does not have any power, and pretty much it starts overheating, there's no power, that means there's restriction. So yeah, you can have more than 2 catalytic converters. Actually, you can have 4 depending on the model. Sometimes you can have 3. You have 2 upstream and 1 downstream, or 2 downstream. Now, the code that you will get is 420 or 430 depending on which bank. Also, it can be 431, 421. So that will tell you which catalytic converter is failing, or where there's a restriction and the oxygen sensor through that code. If you have anything else than those catalytic converter codes, you might just have to replace your oxygen sensor. If the car is performing well, most likely the oxygen sensor just went bad. That does not mean your catalytic converter is bad. You might just want to scan the car, get the actual code. Always get a printout whenever you go to a technician, so like that you can have somebody else review it and they can give you a firm answer of what's going on. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. We can answer that question really quick. If there is an issue with the catalytic converter where it has to be replaced, most of the time you only have to replace 1 bank. That means only 1 catalytic converter. It's very, very rare, unless you run in the truck very rough, that you have to replace all 4, all 2, just depending what it is. So yeah, at this point, pretty much just scan the code and let us know what it is, and we might be able to answer that in a better way. For more auto tips, just ask Rey, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook.